Hi, this is Rocky. So today we're going to show you how to use two keypad to control the matrix switcher and the other equipment. So right now we have this one is the UK single gun size and this one is the US single gun size, and both keypad with 10 buttons. So we can use this one to start the controlling. So right now you can see on this one we got the LAN cable, then we got the us232, then we use this adapter, then goes along the way to the setup on this side. So basically we got a 8-port PoE switch, then we have those LAN cables. One is connected to the larger screen, and another one is connected to this keypad. So we have two LAN cable connected to this keypad, and another one, this green LAN cable, is connected to this matrix switcher. And we have another one is connected to another keypad, and this green LAN cable is connected to this laptop. So basically we can use the web browser to program this keypad. And we have another LAN cable is connected to this BYOD presentation system, and we have one output to this touchscreen on that side. So now we're going to show you, so I'm going to use this keypad to control like the switching and video wall, and to turn off the monitors. So now we're going to press this button. We're going to switch to a different source. So this one is to switch in the source, and also to have this one showing as like the full scene images. And this one is going to show as a video wall here. This one is a different source from the laptop. And now we're going to use these three buttons to control the matrix switchers only. So you can see it's still a video wall, another video wall, another video wall, and this one is going to turn off the 2x2 displays. So when you have it turn off, and this button is to turn it back. And record one of the source to the screen. And we have another two button. We just turn off the beep sound of the matrix switcher. Like right now, if we switch a different source, we can hear the beep sound, right? So this is a beep sound. So if you want to turn off the beep sound, we just press this button. Then when we do the switching, and it's no more beep sound. And turn back the beep sound. So we still got it. Okay, so this is the first UK single gun size keypad to control the matrix switcher, to control the BYOD presentation system, and also the us232 to control the 2x2 video wall with the splicing function, or to turn it on or turn it off. And here we also have another keypad. This one is basically a US size. It's also a single gun. So with this one, we also can control like the BYOD. So this one we only use the TCP/IP, and we didn't use the us232. Just because we use the PoE NAS switch, that's why we don't need to power on those keypad. Switch to a different source. A different one. Different source. Another source. So this one is from the Type-C, HDMI, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and the Type-C. So basically this one we only need to control the BYOD system uses the TCP/IP. So in one system, and with the PoE network switch, then we can have like multiple keypad in the system. So in one location, we can just have one on the position, and on another side, we can use another one. Okay, thank you so much.